Street East in London, Ontario, in the highly desired neighborhood known as Old South. This home has been taken right down to the studs, and it's essentially like a brand new home in an established neighborhood already. This property is being listed at $459,900, features 3 bedrooms, a powder room on the main, and main floor laundry. It also has a single car garage and an extensive yard for a pool, an addition, anything that tickles your fancy. For more information or to book a showing, see my contact info below, and the open house dates will be provided for you on the screen. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.